Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to effectively create a paid Telegram channel. First I'll open up Telegram, and then all you need to do is click on this pencil icon here at the bottom right, okay? I'll just go ahead and click on Not Now. Click on New Channel. All right, I'm going to create my channel. I'll give a channel name and description. So I'll do tutorial 2, and this is a tutorial. This will just be a description, right? Any description you want, it doesn't matter. I can go ahead and create this. Now what I'll do is I'll make this a private channel. Now this is an invite link, right? This is okay. This is perfectly fine. I will go ahead and press on the check mark here at the top right. Now let's go back to our channel we have created. Click on it. And now here you see channel settings. Go ahead and click on that, guys. Click on invite links. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll create a new invite link. Completely ignore this one. Create a new one. And as you can see right here where I create a new invite link, there is this option to require a monthly fee. You can toggle this on, choose how many star amounts per month you want to charge them. This is about 26 cents. Let's do about 400. I guess that's almost about $5.2 a month. All right. And you can also decide to enable admin approval, but you cannot do this for links that require monthly fees. So as long as they pay, they can join. You can go ahead and also limit the number of users if you want, and the time period for which this is available. You can also create a link name, but so far, this is the main thing. Toggle this one on and just go ahead and create your link, and you're done. 400 per month. Really that easy and simple.